Today I'm going to make a plated dessert. So I often buy dinner kits from companies, and I just started recently getting meals from Plated. But what I like about Plated is they also offer the opportunity to get dessert. So this week's dessert is Hello Dolly bars. So they send you the card, and then everything we need to make them is in this. So we're going to start. I'm going to get started. So I'm going to show you how this works. Pecans, gotta make sure everything's here. Cute little cans of condensed milk, graham cracker crumbs, 16 cubes of butter, coconut flakes, chocolate chips. So I think that's everything I need. Step 1, it says melt butter, preheat oven to 350. So I'm going to turn my oven on, unwrap butter packets, and place in a large heat-proof bowl, microwave to melt. Okay, so I have to admit that it would be easier just to use a cube of butter, but I will unwrap all of these and put them in a bowl. Here we go. And this is going to take forever. I think when I make this video, I'm going to have to figure out how to fast forward, because this is a lot of work, but I think that will be a good experiment in video editing. Sorry this isn't more entertaining. I don't think I can peel butter cubes and talk at the same time. I think I would slow me down. So, alright, we got 2, last one. When was the last time you impaled 16 cubes of butter? 16, actually pats, I guess they're not really cubes. Alright, so then we're going to microwave this on until it's melted. And then we have, it says, they even send the tin. So if you don't have the right size, 8x8 pan, you don't need to worry because it's right here. So reshape aluminum tin if it's bent, but mine looks to be in pretty good shape, so I'm not going to worry about it. So step 2 is we need to place pecans in a small pan over medium heat and toast until golden and fragrant. So get these pecans and we're going to toast these for 3 minutes. What I like about these meal kits is, I know how to measure, but I don't have to. It's kind of like a healthier way to have instant food. It's like cake mix without the preservatives. That's what the butter's melted. So the next step, while these pecans are toasting, is to make the graham cracker crust. So we're going to add, I'm going to put this in a different bowl so it's easier to mix. So we're going to mix the graham cracker crumbs with the 16 packs of butter. So open and dump. Easy squeezy. So. And then it says to add 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now that they didn't send, so I do have to use my own salt, but I think I can survive. So 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix that up in there. We're going to transfer this crust to this tin and press it down into the bottom. That was the easiest graham cracker crust I've ever made, because usually I have to crush the graham crackers myself. Although the butter, 16 pats, that's a lot to unwrap. I'll be complaining about that for I haven't been keeping track of how long. They said 3 minutes. I think I've been toasting these longer than 3 minutes, but so I'm gonna go ahead and transfer these. to scatter chocolate chips, pecans, and coconut over the crust. So, since they said chocolate chips first, that's what I'm going to put here first. So we have chocolate chips, and I'm just going to sprinkle those over the top. Put the pecans. And then the coconut. And then, now it says to drizzle the condensed milk in an even layer. Now, these cans have little, like, pop can tops, but the last time I got a little can like this, I'm not sure it's going to drizzle very well, so we'll find out. If it doesn't drizzle really well, then I might take my can over too. But this one's drizzling. Carl will like these. My husband loves condensed milk because his mother made some sort of dessert called sweetie pudding when he was little, and I don't know what that is, but he talks about it all the time. So I'm growing really impatient with this, so I am going to get my can opener and open that with it, because there's faster ways to do this. But that's sweet. I don't use condensed milk very often, so kind of like, so yeah, I think it's faster if you just spoon it over the top, and I gotta glob it on. I'm not sure this is an exact science. Alright, there we go. So, my oven's not heated up yet, but as soon as my oven's heated up, I am going to put this in there for 25 minutes. My oven's heated up, so I'm going to go ahead and put these in for 25 minutes. So it suggests that you put the tin on a baking sheet, probably just in case it bakes over, and it's easier to get out that way. So. Oven is beeping, so we will see if these are done. I think that can toast a little longer, right. So I think they'll be done. So, toasted. Looks like the picture. I think they're done. So it says to let this sit and cool for at least 20 minutes before serving. So I think these are going to probably cool for a while because we're not hungry right now. But it says to cut them into bars after they've cooled for 20 minutes at least, and then they can be stored airtight for 3 days in a container at room temperature.